Today is the winter solstice, and I have created this festive treat for the squirrels and the birds. Today there is only 3 hours and 48 minutes of daylight. Okay, I'm gonna open this.
Whoa, look at those legs!
Although the sun set 2 hours ago, there is still so much light. So here it is, my Yule log cake. Today is the winter solstice, and I have created this festive treat for the squirrels and the birds. Today is the winter solstice, so I have created this festive basket for the squirrels and the birds. And Rusty is already here. Today is the winter solstice. This is the day with the shortest daylight and the longest night of the year. After this day, each day gains a bit more light. For hundreds of years, people have celebrated the winter solstice. It represents hope after a long period of darkness and a reminder that nothing stays at its lowest point forever. It's the promise that light always returns. The squirrels have enjoyed their winter solstice treat, and I'm going to go home for breakfast now. Today there is only 3 hours and 48 minutes of daylight. So yesterday a package arrived. I have no idea what it is, so I'm going to open it on camera. And I got sent this lovely postcard, and the artist is Staffan Ullström, who is actually one of my favourite illustrators in Sweden, and he's done lots of illustrations of wildlife with the tomtes. Okay, I'm gonna open this. No idea what it is.
Whoa, look at those legs!
A little squirrel with a cupcake. Love it. Dear Danny, I would like to thank you very much for your wonderful videos, which always gives me a little break from everyday life. I wish all the squirrels, Juan and you a cozy and white Christmas. All the best from Austria. This is amazing. I just saw it briefly. Need to focus. Okay, ready? I love pop-up cards. We have the squirrel ornament. A very perfect pack of red squirrel napkins. I needed new napkins. Thank you. Another little package. Oh, a sloth. I don't have a sloth ornament. Thank you so much, Gudrun from Austria. I'm gonna put them on the tree right now. Although the sun set 2 hours ago, there is still so much light, and that's because the sky is so clear. There's a good chance of northern lights, and the forecast for the northern lights looks exceptional next week. Let's just hope for clear skies. So this is the first cake I made. I don't know what happened. It just turned into hot molten and it never formed a structure. And this is my second cake. It has a structure. I'm now going to make some chocolate frosting and then I'm going to decorate it. Moment of truth, can I transfer it here? Maybe the blueberries looked stupid. What do you think?
I don't think they're blueberries.
No. Yeah, I think it looks a bit random. I need to carefully.
What?
So here it is, my Yule log cake. I'm really pleased with it, and I added some snow to the mousse. We're going to cut it open tomorrow when my family arrive. The reality of filming, I just stepped on a blueberry. That cake honestly took way longer than expected. Took me over 4 hours. It didn't help I had to make 2, but anyway, I think it looks good. I love the folklore around winter solstice, and I thought I'd share some. In Celtic folklore, the Holly King, who is the ruler of the dark half of the year, faces the Oak King, who rules the light. At the winter solstice, the Oak King wins and daylight begins to grow. In Slavic and Scandinavian folklore, it was believed that animals gain the gift of human speech on Christmas Eve and the solstice night. Solstice night dreams were believed to carry messages from the gods, ancestors, or nature spirits. Some fasted or drank herbal teas to open the dreaming mind. If your dream features an animal, pay close attention. It may be your guide for the coming year. I actually have this encyclopedia of mythical beasts and their magical tales. And there is a red squirrel in here, and his name is Ratatoskia. He's a troublemaking, rumour-spreading red squirrel of the world tree. My candle is just about to go out, so I'm going to end the video here. Thank you for joining me for winter solstice, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Hi Danny, I just wanted to say my name is Charlotte Franks and my age is 8. I'm from England. I started watching because my dad loves photography. My favourite animal is probably a red squirrel. I haven't seen one before in real life, and I've always wanted to see one. I love your videos a lot, and my dad inspired me to watch them. Then my mom started watching it. Bye, Daddy. Merry Christmas.
Hello, I'm Diana Moore from Knoxville, Tennessee, USA. I'm 81 years old. How nice it is to get to talk to you, Danny. And I'm not the best housekeeper in the world because I like to sew and do craft work. So that's what I spend a lot of my time doing. Christmas will be quiet here. I don't have family in town. I have good friends who will invite me to their home for Christmas Eve and probably Christmas Day. I have been making Christmas ornaments. It's nice to be able to talk to you, and I thank you for that opportunity. Bye-bye now.